Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're entering security and login now. Tap Menu, choose Settings and Privacy, then Settings and open Security and Login. You need your current password to change critical info, so enter it when prompted. Once logged in, locate Login section to update phone or password options. Make sure your phone is nearby for SMS or authentication prompts. If you use an authenticator app, have it ready. These first steps secure access before you proceed to edit contact details or reset a password. You'll add the new phone number first. Tap Contact Info or Mobile, then add phone number. Enter the number and request the SMS code. Type it in exactly as received to verify ownership. Once verified, set the new number as your primary contact so recovery messages go there. After confirmation, you can remove the old number. Do that only after the new number is active to prevent losing access. If an SMS fails, try the resend option or use an authenticator app as an alternative. Now change your password. Under Security and Login, tap Change Password, enter your current password, then type a strong new password twice. Choose a unique phrase with letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reused passwords. After saving, Facebook may log you out of other devices. Decide whether to stay logged in elsewhere. Finally, review two-factor settings and recovery contacts to ensure seamless access. If you get locked out, use the recovery options you set earlier or the Help Center account recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.